Well, I thought that your initial telling of the story was wonderful. The hand motions,
The
and it
motions.
was very easy to focus and anchor those different things. That was really great. The lead through was also very very good, and the fact that you had a lot of participation. People were jumping in, saying, okay. So we were all with you. You brought the group all the way through that story the second time.
And you use different techniques or whatever in the lead through,
Yeah.
not the
Yeah, I
same.
think you hit all of
I
them.
think you hit all
All of
three,
those
didn't
notes,
you?
yeah.
What were the
all
scenarios?
three.
You've got
blank, leave a blank.
Leave a blank and then do the opposite. And then what was the third one?
Pause.
Is that the same as a blank?
it's
Yeah.
little
Yeah.
And then there's humor. You can do something humorous or the opposite kind of thing. I don't remember either.
I have to get the book
Get
out.
the book out.
There you go. I'm still reading the book.
I haven't had a chance yet to go back and list to Vacation Bible School. I'm playing catch up.
I felt very comfortable during the discussion. You were very
Yeah.
affirming.
Yeah, I'm very good at asking questions that would get us.
I mean, it helps obviously having people like you that all know the story and the Bible so well. If I was doing it with a bunch of newbies or something, or 6-year-olds or something like that, I'm sure it would be more
I
challenging.
don't know, 6-year-olds might be.
Well, you got people that want to learn,
Yeah.
which is wonderful. It's like having students that want to learn, which is rare, you know.
You let us go, kind of into different directions without just always trying to bring it right back to what you wanted to. You let it flow with what we were responding. I thought you did a good job of that instead of just trying to micromanage and say, no, we're really gonna talk about this, no, we're gonna talk about that.
But you did redirect and you were very almost transparent when you redirected us back to the story.
Okay.
Because I remember I was going off in a weird direction. Carol! You were very gentle. Because I had people.
You did it in great humility. How's that?
Well, I don't know. I just felt very comfortable because I've had people correct in not so gentle a way, and then I felt.
As soon as you correct like that, I shut up. I won't answer another question if I'm corrected really harshly or where'd you get that, or something like that. I shut down immediately. I didn't shut down.
Yeah,
at
and
all.
it might shut other people down too.
Yeah.
That happens.
Right.
It's like, said that to her, what are they gonna say to me?
Yeah, we didn't get that at all. You're good.
No.
Dad.
No, you're really, really good. I appreciate that because sometimes I get
Yeah.
too excited and.
No, you guys were great, and easy group to lead. I mean, you all went through the training and still, so you know kind of how it's supposed to work.
Sometimes when you're trying to self-correct yourself, like doing you're doing the observations and you kind of slip into application, you kind of say, you say out loud, I know I'm not supposed to be there or something. Don't do that. The people that you're talking to don't know that you're following something. Don't let them know that you think you did something out of sequence or something. Just continue. Just change your direction and
Same
just
when you
go.
brought in the part of Mark and it was Matthew, that was in know that stuff.
Yeah, I probably, for you guys, I'm glad I still pointed that out because we're, for the video, so people
Right,
don't.
so people can see
But you're right, if I was just doing it to a regular group of
the real thing, you wouldn't do that.
And that's what I did wrong when I did mine. I did something and he said, "Don't say
We're going to video him tomorrow preaching, so you can go to our website.
that." Okay.
You can hear him preaching.
I like you post on Facebook what what you're going to preach about or whatever you have in the past. Yeah.
One thing that I always try to debate with myself is, should I be sitting down during the group, or should I be standing up? And I think there's good points and bad points to each one of them. I think you need to tailor it to the group and say, would it be better if I'm standing during the observation and application, or sitting? So it's just something that I try to think.
Sometimes it might be found even on the sides of the group too.
I think he was supposed to have a Bible.
Yeah, you're right. It's supposed to open the Bible when I'm
Right,
telling the story and close it when I'm done telling the
Yeah,
story.
Carolyn would have been.
Yeah.
Yep, she would have been right.
But I do know there are times when they take these stories where people don't really
scribe was.
In the introduction, yeah.
Yeah.
What is a scribe? Say it again?
Like an expert in the Jewish Old Testament law.
Right. And that was a really key thing to know.
Yeah, 'cause-
It really anchored.
Yeah.
Aren't they the ones that
You said,
copy the
which was-
text?
This
was
guy
fine for
forgets.
us, you said Mosaic law,
Yeah, we might
and
not.
if I
definitely
was
know
not,
that.
if I didn't know the Bible, I would, what the
Oh,
heck is
that's-
he talking about? What's a mosaic? Is that an
I
art
didn't
There's a
thing?
law about how all those things go together.
Right, you learn to use the religious word.
The reason because I need to do that tomorrow. When I
What,
teach
use
the high school
mosaic?
kids, no, is tell them what a scribe is, just in
Oh,
case
yeah,
they
yeah.
don't know what a scribe is.
Aren't they the ones that copy the text?
Probably
That's
so
what I
as
thought.
well, because that would be the scribe part, they would be the ones that really copy us to.
Make exact copies.
But everything I looked at as far as commentary said they were like the religious experts. They were
Right.
Mhm.
the ones that studied in real detail and could argue the different points and stuff.
Hmm.
Which actually, one thing I came up with in my own study of it was maybe what attracted him to Jesus was just Jesus' teaching ability. Instead of, wow, this guy has such great insights, I just want to hang around with him and get this good teaching.
Sure.
Hmm. That's good.
I thought you did a great job of not using the pronoun, you use nouns. That's what I got nailed on one of the things when I was practicing is you've got to keep using people's name
Mhm.
or don't use pronouns. People
Get
like
lost.
both
He-
Chinese and Indian people, Indian people, they always switch him and her. It drives me nuts. When you talk
Mhm.
about who you're talking about, they do not understand him and her.
Right.
It's like
I know
her.
some Mexicans that do that
Okay,
too.
okay, so other languages where for some reason that, I don't know, that surprised me about Spanish, cause they have.
Yeah, I mean, well, theirs are, because they use pronouns, but they use just a different ending of the
Yeah, they
word.
use the endings.
Right.
So it is quite a bit different when we do it in two languages.
Yeah, my sister-in-law is from the Philippines, and she does that quite
She
often.
switches it too.
When
Does
she
that drive
switches-
you nuts? I mean, you're, who are you talking
Yeah.
about?
Well, they do that on the websites when they're translated by a Google thing, or
Yeah, it's really.
they always mess up the pronouns.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's true,
You related to the guys up on the road?
Hmm?
Are you related to the Filipino lady and her husband on the road?
No, my brother's in New Jersey.
Oh, okay.
We're the Indian. Well, my uncle lives here, Bob McDonald.
Oh, you related to Bobby Brown?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's the one that taught me how to read back in the 1950s.
Small world. His wife is still alive.
No, she passed in January 30th.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, it's been a really, really hard,
He really loved her.
hard struggle. Yeah, they were married for over 30 years, and they were just very, very close. It was a very, very hard time for them. I've never seen, when you say people are devastated by the loss of a loved one, it was not just a mental, it was a physical devastation. He had so many problems after it that we went through the whole cycle of going to the doctors, and it was broken heart syndrome.
Wow.
The stress on his heart actually changed shape
Oh my
because
goodness.
of it,
So
and
she
he
been
almost
like,
died.
had she been ill and stuff and, or
He
just
had been
suddenly-
okay.
For her.
For her, she had been ill for quite a long time, about 7 years,
Yeah.
and it was a continual deterioration. It was very, very difficult. So,
Is he a believer?
no, it's not.
No wonder that's tough too.
So that's another
Yeah.
very, very difficult thing.
Okay, let's see.
There maybe was one place where I thought you talked a little too fast,
Okay, that's a
but
common.
you took
yeah.
care of that right away, it didn't continue at all. It's just like.
What about my volume? Was I loud enough for you? Because normally I speak too quietly.
You did better on that than what
I could hear you fine.
Yeah, so you needed to get that, it's good about how you reduce from 0.
Okay.
Very quiet. It's good. Yeah, and it's a comment, it's very positive.
So who wants to,
You did good with eye contact and looking at
Mhm.
people instead of like that, like I.
And I felt, they talk about moving your body and focusing in on people, and I saw you doing that during the discussion and drawing people in.
it's probably one advantage of standing, for me, it's good about standing rather than sitting. I
Mhm.
do that better,
Right.
standing.
Yeah, it's easier to do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be really challenging for me, 'cause I have to do the stories seated. Plus I use my arms to hold my back up. I'm not
Yeah,
just
because
doing this 'cause
it
I'm
makes it
lazy.
harder to do different motions when you're sitting
Right.
sometimes.
So I was looking at stories of which ones need the fewest, and then I thought, well, I've got to compensate by my facial, face and my voice so that it's just some kind of monotone. But that's okay.
I found when doing the Skype, doing the story over
Mhm.
Skype, it was difficult because most of the time it's just your face and
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
trying to experiment for going back
Yeah.
and doing
So
the hand
did you,
motions and stuff.
Did
And
you use like a little separate camera, or were you just using the built-in?
I was using a camera right on top of the computer, and I think that's another thing. You probably need a camera off to the side like this
Hmm.
in order to do.
I don't know. I didn't ask Carolyn what she does. I was wondering, when she did the story, how she was standing up and you could see just what you needed to see. It was perfect. She must have practiced that.
I think she practiced in front of the
I could see it out there, everybody can see half of my body or whatever. And you're cut off at the nose. Try all these weird things.
tell the story through the eyebrows.
Yeah, right.
Well, you probably don't have to worry about moving out of the camera view. You're not gonna move.
I haven't used a separate camera. I just use the one that's the thing from the laptop, and you little pictures so tiny you
Yeah.
can't see yourself anyway. And anyway, but I'm sure my technicians will help me.
The Bible. In the group that I was in, we were taught to start with the Bible open, and then in a little bit you close it and set it down, and then you pick it up again when you're finished. That's what I was taught in my group.
Right.
You don't close it, you leave it open.
Was that it? I may have said it
Yeah.
wrong. You
You set it
Yeah,
down, and then
I
when the
can't remember.
story's done, you pick it up, and
And
that's
then
the
you
end.
close
and
of
that's
the
when you
story.
close it. So you start with your Bible open.
Now,
I mean,
you
you
do your intro. You do your
intro with it closed.
closed.
Thank you. Yeah.
And then you
Open it to begin the story,
and you
and then you set it
you
down,
set it down,
and then you try to pick it back up
and
at the
then
end.
you say, and that was the story.
Okay. Yeah, I tried to do that with the kids. I can't remember what I did, but
I messed that up.
I get too involved in the story.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
Well, and then I'm doing, we were talking about before,
I'm
I'm
sure
going,
we
oh, I
can.
was supposed to leave it open. Oh, no, I was
I
supposed
know.
And they recommend that you not open it to the story.
Right. Exactly.
yeah, it's just
You-
open
somewhere
up.
near-
Yeah, just wherever.
Somewhere here, like you don't tell Acts when you're in,
Oh,
you open it up
yeah.
at the beginning, but because you have a tendency, and I did this when I did
To look.
the mistake, you have a tendency,
Yeah, right.
you open it up and you
Look
go,
at it.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna read this. I don't want to tell it.
It's a lifeline, I can see the
Yeah.
first few verses.
Yes.
But I like that, I like to read the first 4 words out of it and then set it
Oh, no,
aside.
that's a no-no.
Is that cheating?
Oh,
Yeah.
you'll get chastised for that big time.
Why?
Because it's to be a story, it's not to be reading.
Yeah.
I don't remember, it seemed like Carolyn told us, are you supposed to at the beginning say where the story is from, Mark blah blah blah, or Matthew blah blah
I'm
blah?
not
or
sure,
the-
maybe at the end.
At the end,
I never.
yeah.
Okay.
And
At
by
the
the
end,
way,
I don't think we ever did.
by the way, the story was from,
The story was from blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Blah, blah.
So at the end, you're supposed to set it?
Yeah.
Are you? Because we never did.
The reason is because you don't, if people have their Bibles, you don't want them opening up and
Yeah.
reading while you're telling the
Oh.
story.
Very
because that's the
good.
natural
'Cause we're
tendency.
trained.
Yeah.
What we've all been trained to
Please
do.
turn to Mark
Yeah.
chapter.
Yeah.
Everybody's thumbing through it, they missed half the story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's
Yeah.
no longer oral, because a lot of people are not gonna have the Bibles anyway, so, right?
That's very possible, yeah.
Yeah, especially if you're reading into other cultures.
Mhm.
Well, I have realized I can learn orally. I've always been a read it person, and I can do it orally.
When they put you in the cooker and you have to learn a story in like 10 minutes or whatever, the thing where you read it and then you close your eyes.
So.
Oh, yeah.
But that shows you what your brain can do,
Like we're
doesn't it?
gonna do it in a few minutes.
I need someone to read it to
We're out
me.
of time for
I do better actually if someone reads it to me, and then because that's what we did in our group. He'd read it to me. We did like 3 or 4 times, and each time I got a little bit better. And then I read it. When I read it by myself, when I look up, I'm like. So, but that's how I've always learned is by reading. I felt like I've always
Now
found
you know
that.
you can learn.
Right? Yeah.
Mhm.
I can, but it takes me more than 10 minutes.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah, I know 2 stories now, but it takes me several days.
Right. I went all week on the jar.
Yeah, I've been practicing a couple times a day, and it takes me several days
Yeah.
to learn a story. And then the questions of it was,
Yeah, remembering the questions is hard.
Can I share what I printed out, so you want to look at, see if you want to
Sure, yeah, so we can probably stop the video in just a second, and we'll talk about 2 months to do